Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Samayal. Today I am going to prepare colocasia gravy. Take 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 cup of onions. I have used a small sized onion. Fry them until it is golden brown. 2 to 3 dry red chilli, small sized onion, 2 tablespoons of dhaniya seeds, half tablespoon of jeera seeds, saute them well. Add few coconut pieces. Fry them until it is golden brown. Transfer it into a mixer. Grind it into a fine paste. Now in the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the boiled, peeled and chopped colocasia into it and fry them until it is golden brown. It takes long time to fry them. Once it is fried well, transfer it into a bowl and keep it aside. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the tempering mustard seeds, curry leaves, fry them. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry them until the raw smell goes off. Now add the grinded masala, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, adjust as per the taste, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, cook them well. Add 1 cup of tamarind extract, adjust as per your taste. Let it come to a boil. Cover it with a lid and let it cook well. Now add the colocasia pieces into the gravy. Let's know the benefits of colocasia. It is high fiber food and aids in weight loss. It is a 0 fat and 0 cholesterol food. It also contains good amount of vitamin E. Just saute them for a couple of minutes. You can serve this with rice or even with chapati. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.